proprietary or company. Overview. BC business registration, sole proprietorship or corporation. 6 key issues clients always ask about.
Legal liability, 1 legal liability sole proprietor, personal liability corporation, limited liability, black right arrow risk protection matters.
Taxation. 2. Tax differences, sole prop. Personal tax rates, corporation. Lower small business tax impacts, cash flow and planning.
Cost and complexity, 3 setup and ongoing cost, sole prop simple and low cost corporation, higher setup and compliance, black right arrow budget and time commitment.
Income and profit level. For-profit level low or part-time income. Sole prop growing or retained profits. Corporation scale changes structure.
Credibility and growth, 5 business image and growth corporation, more credibility, easier to add partners or investors, black right arrow think long term.
Compliance and exit. 6 compliance and exit. Sole prop, simple filing corporation. More filings, easier exit or sale. Future flexibility.
The right structure saves tax and avoids risk. Tell us what's your plan and we can help you realize it. https://www.urgentpart.ca